Have you ever felt that AI might replace bookkeepers one day? You open LinkedIn or YouTube and see people saying, AI can do bookkeeping now, or AI can do accounting now. It's easy to panic, but here's the truth. AI won't replace bookkeepers who know how to use it. It will replace those who ignore it. So today, I'll show you how to use AI not to do your work for you, but to level up your thinking, speed, and value as a modern bookkeeper. The real shift. AI isn't here to make bookkeepers irrelevant. It's changing how we work, not why we are needed. Clients don't just pay you to record numbers. They pay for insights, judgment, and clarity. AI can't build trust. It can't interpret the story behind the numbers or come as just the business owner at tax time. That's your superpower, and AI helps you amplify it. So instead of fearing AI, think of it as your junior assistant, the one that never sleeps, drafts your notes, and reminds you of what you might miss. Use AI to sharpen your expertise. Start with your own learning. Ask AI to explain complex accounting topics in plain English, tax laws, or payroll deductions. You'll be shocked how quickly you can bridge knowledge gaps that once took years of experience. Next, use AI to simulate client scenarios. For example, you can say, pretend you are a small business owner in Canada who just hired their first employee. What questions would you have about payroll? Suddenly, you are practicing real conversations, learning how to communicate like a business advisor, not just a number entry person. Use AI to improve communications and productivity. AI is your secret weapon for writing clearly emails, engagement letters, and client updates. You can ask it to reword a message so it sounds confident but friendly, or summarize a complex rule in one paragraph for your client. You can also use AI to organize your workflow, from creating task checklists for monthly closes to brainstorming templates for onboarding new clients. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you start with a draft, then refine it using your own experience. That's how you go from reactive to proactive bookkeeping. Use AI to strengthen your career. The future belongs to tech-savvy professionals who combine human judgment with smart tools. When you show clients you understand, you become irreplaceable. Here's the key. Don't ask, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I use AI to become twice as effective? Because every minute you save with the tool is a minute you can invest in yourself. Learning new systems, analyzing trends, and offering higher value advice. AI can't replace you, but it can upgrade you. So the next time someone says, AI is coming for bookkeepers, smile and say, good, I'm already using it. Because in this new world, the most successful bookkeepers aren't the ones who resist technology. They are the ones who lead with it. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and I'll show you more ways about bookkeeping advice. I'll see you in the next video.